In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate an email flow in Klaviyo effectively, ensuring that your messages will start sending automatically without any hassle. If you're ready to harness the power of organized and automated email communication, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Flows section in your Klaviyo dashboard. This area is the hub of all your email automation activities, acting as the control center from which you manage, edit, and activate your flows. Once you're in the Flows tab, the next step is to choose the flow you intend to activate. If you already have a flow set up, that's great. Simply select it from your list. However, if you haven't created one yet, don't worry. Klaviyo offers a robust flow library with various pre-built options that can be tailored to suit your needs. You can also create a flow from scratch if you have a specific process in mind. Once you've selected or created a flow, it's crucial to ensure that all elements within it are fully configured. This includes setting up your email templates, crafting compelling subject lines, and entering the correct sender information. Taking the time to preview each email in your flow is a great practice. It allows you to see exactly what your recipients will experience and helps catch any typos or formatting issues before they're sent out to your audience. With everything configured, the next important step is to set each message's status to live. This is pivotal because draft or manual settings mean your emails won't be sent automatically. You have the option to do this individually for each message, which can be beneficial if you prefer to double-check everything as you go. However, if you're confident that everything is set up correctly, you might opt to use Klaviyo's Review and Turn On feature. This handy tool allows you to quickly set the entire flow to go live, enabling automation with just a few clicks. Now that your messages are live, the system is ready to do its magic. Any new subscriber who meets the trigger criteria you've set will automatically enter the flow. From there, Klaviyo will handle the distribution of your emails, ensuring they're sent out systematically as per the designed flow. This not only streamlines your communication process, but also saves valuable time that you can dedicate to other aspects of your marketing strategy. And there you have it. You've successfully activated an email flow in Klaviyo, paving the way for seamless and automated communications with your audience. Remember, the key is to meticulously configure your emails and ensure their status is live to leverage Klaviyo's full capabilities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.